Hi all, here to give you a few quick AP updates. The slides I'm using are also linked in the description above me if you want to look through these slides on your own. So over spring break, College Board released some new information about how AP exams are going to work this year, so I just wanted to share with you what I know. The weird thing is these AP exams this year are going to happen at 3 different times, and it's going to be at the same time worldwide. So every AP student in the whole world is going to be taking these exams at the same exact time. And as you know already, it's going to be a shortened AP exam, so it's going to be 45 minutes. Let's see on the next slide, you can see the AP Psychology exam falls on Tuesday, May 19th, and it's going to happen at 11 a.m. So actually, we in California got really lucky to have the exam at 11 a.m. It's a pretty normal time. I was talking to an AP Psych teacher in Korea, and she was saying that her students have to wake up at 1 a.m. in Korea to take the exam in the middle of the night because they're going to be taking it at the same time as you. So luckily, it's not a weird time for us to take the exam. Few other quick things is it'll be taken at home. Obviously, we're not going to come to school or to a testing center by May. You can take the AP on your phone, but most of you, I would highly recommend taking it on a computer on your Chrome. And you can type your response. The other option is College Board says you can also write out your response and then take a picture of it. So if you're someone who feels much better about structuring answers with pen and paper, you can also do that as well, although that might be more useful in like a math class than in psychology. Okay, so in terms of the structure of the AP Psych exam, there's going to be 2 free response questions. The first one is a little bit longer, it's 25 minutes. And then the second one's a little bit shorter, it's 15 minutes. And basically it's going to be once you submit question 1, you'll submit it, you can't go back and change it, and then you'll have question 2, submit it, and then you'll be done with the exam. So we're going to be practicing starting today actually some free response questions that are similar to those that you'll see on the exam. So you'll get lots of practice with that, and yeah, we'll be doing that up until the date of the exam, which is on May 19th at 11 a.m. So more information to come. You can also flip through the rest of these slides to get some more information from College Board, but I'm going to stop the video there. Okay, thanks for listening.